Hey traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor. We're going to take a look at the gold daily chart here. I'm going to go over my analysis, what I'm thinking is going to happen here. I'm going to go over exactly why I think what I'm thinking, so that you can see some specific levels here that I'm watching for this coming up week. We haven't really updated our gold analysis in a while here. And that's because it hasn't really moved anywhere. But right now, I think it's coming up to a key time here for gold. So you really got to watch this video. So I'm going to get my face out of the way here, guys. Before we get into this chart here, guys, what I want you to do is visit us here on the home page of the website and really just get to know us better. Because when you get to know us better, you're going to see what the service has to offer. You're going to get when you sign up and join the premium membership community. The other cool part about seeing this here on the home page and getting to know us better is you're going to see some real traders, some real members who are inside the membership right now, where you want to be getting results just like you want to get. They're going to tell you exactly what it's like to be a member at thetradinganalyst.com, because this is my service. And of course, I think that I have the best service out there. And I really, truly believe that because our clients are happy, they're making money, and they're happy enough to leave these really good reviews for us. So it's really good to see it from a different perspective other than my own. The other cool part is when you sign up and join today, you're actually getting instant access to the same profitable trading alerts that these people are talking about and these traders are talking about in their reviews and their testimonials. So if you're sick and tired of losing money in the market and sick and tired of lacking consistency in your trading, losing one week, making money the next, up and back, yo-yoing back and forth, we've all been there before. It's not your fault if you haven't been successful up until this point, but it is going to be your fault if you don't do something about it today. So take this opportunity, sign up and join the premium membership community, and you can start making winning trades in the market, because these are real-time alerts that are sent directly to your cell phone in real time, so you can trade from anywhere. All you need is a cell phone, and these are winning trades. These are hand-picked by me. I'm a professional trader, been making money in the market for almost 10 years, a decade now, and you're getting me in your back pocket for a small investment here, guys. So if you're sick and tired of losing money in the market, you want to change that, make a change in your trading, make a change in your life, and then you need to sign up and join the premium membership community. We are raising the prices here soon, so I don't want you to miss out on the low rates that we have going on right now. So take this opportunity and join the premium membership community and start making money in the market with these trade alerts as early as tomorrow. All right, so let's get into the chart here, what we've all been waiting for. So we've got a pretty significant level here for gold. I'm going to back it up to the weekly chart here. If you go back all the way to 2011, all right, guys, it's important when you're looking at charts here to go back as far as you can, all right, because it's very relevant, all right? Everything matters. A lot of people come to me and they comment, well, why are you looking back at 2011, 2009, whatever? That information doesn't matter anymore. Well, that couldn't be further from the truth, guys. And I've learned that over my almost decade of experience in the market here. And so going back to 2011, you've got this downtrend line started there. There's a hit. There's another hit. And we broke over that downtrend line earlier this year right there. And if you look at where we're bouncing off of. I'm going to go back to the daily chart, and you can see this is that major trend line right here, and look at where we've bounced off of. All right, so we've got that right there. The other thing that I want to note here too is we've got this somewhat of a falling wedge pattern here on gold. And that is the top line is right here. That's the top of the falling wedge. And we've got the bottom of the falling wedge. We can just use this trend line here. I didn't want to add another line just to make it less messy, but it's good enough right here. So we've got this falling wedge. And what's a falling wedge? Well, falling wedge is a potential bullish pattern here, guys. And right now, we're bouncing off this support. We've got our first close above the 20-day moving average right here, all right? First close over the 20-day moving average. This is really important, guys. So we also closed over the previous 1-2 days highs right there with today's action. We're not yet over last week's highs just yet, but we did make a new high. If this firms up, if we get another solid move tomorrow, okay, or the next day, that breaks over these highs of about 123.50, if you're looking at the GLD chart here, gold, then I do think that we can expect, I think it could get a nice little breakout here to the upside, personally, based off of breaking over the 20-day moving average and out of that falling wedge pattern, as well as out of the bouncing off of the major downtrend line that we broke over at the beginning of this year. I also don't want to touch on silver really quick because silver is looking really, really coiled here, guys. I'm going to go to the weekly chart. You can see that we've been trading. I know there's a lot of lines here, guys, and I'll just kind of move them out of the way so that we can have a cleaner looking chart for you guys. So here is what I want you guys to focus on is we've been trading virtually sideways here for a couple of years, all right? A couple of years. You know, if you look at this, this is a trend up, and then look at this. This is just sideways trading right here. So what this means and what I think is going to happen is that silver is looking like it wants to break out. Okay, it really needs to firm up here. And what I mean by that is it needs to confirm itself and trade a little bit higher. I want to see it hold these higher prices. But if it does, silver can break out huge. And I think it's going to be one of the bigger movers in the later part of this year if we get a further breakout. You can see that we've traded in this triangle here, back and forth, back and forth. I'm not huge on major patterns here, but you can see that clearly we're trading sideways here. It's just building up energy. When you trade sideways, you can see it was trading sideways virtually here for a while, but you can see basically the entire year, it's traded really, really tight, okay? Really, really tight. And what that means is we're building up energy, okay? Building up energy for the next move. Is it going to be higher? Is it going to be lower? We don't know yet, but it's definitely leaning to the upside because if you look here on the daily chart, we're right here at this downtrend line that we've gotten rejected at. You can see we got rejected at here and right here. Just recently up there previously in 2017, and we're right here at this level. I think, in my opinion, if we get another green day tomorrow, it's all hands on board here for silver. I think it's going to be a big time mover here, and I'm definitely watching it, and I think that you should too. So that's all I got for the video here, guys. Thank you for stopping by. I really, really appreciate it. And I hope that I provided a lot of value to you. And I hope that I'm going to help you navigate the market. Now, if you want to take your trading up a notch, if you want to level up and you want to start receiving real-time trade alerts delivered directly to your cell phone in real time, both the buy and sell alerts, we're never going to leave you hanging, then you need to take this opportunity because this could be the opportunity that pushes you over the edge into consistent profitability like it has all of our other members here that are leaving those testimonials and those reviews here, and you can see them on the homepage and see what other people are saying about the membership. You know, I really implore you to go around and see other services and see if they have as many testimonials and reviews as we do. And I guarantee you, you will not see that. So take this opportunity, guys. Again, we're raising the prices here soon. The reason is we're growing at a rapid pace. A lot of people are signing up lately. We want to keep the community really tight knit, but the prices are still low right now, and you still have an opportunity to join at this low rate. But if you wait to sign up, you're going to miss out, and you're not only going to miss out on the lower rate, but you're going to miss out on these trades that we have happening this week. All right, guys, so take this opportunity, sign up, join the premium membership community, and we'll see you on the other side. I look forward to working with you.